Okay. This is another edition of
Katie's Tasty Treats.
There you go.
So, what we have here is we are just making, we are not icing it, but we will do that in the second video. So, this
It's
is
okay,
part
honey. Just
one
okay.
of
Part
the
one.
cake making.
Okay.
Last time we made the cake, it took 3 videos.
Oh, wow.
So, we're trying to make it shorter this time. So, what we have here is we have my friend Catherine.
Hi, Catherine.
And we are making a, where's the cake?
Right here.
We are making a marble, cookie, and sprinkle cake.
Awesome.
I
There's our
chose the cake
cookies.
mix out, and also the frosting, and also the cookies. So
And it looks like
mostly,
it's purple frosting.
yeah, it is.
Mmm. Okay, well let's get the batter mixed up real quick and then we'll resume.